My name's Anthony Seegers. I'm the fire chief with Belmont Fire Department in Greenville, South Carolina. We're a fairly small fire district. We really only cover about 9 square miles. But in that 9 square miles, we cover federal interstate I-85, a lot of subdivided highways, a lot of rural roads. We see everything from small, very minor accidents that you can move from the roadway to overturned vehicles. We're on the interstate 5 to 10 times a week. In 2005, where one of our trucks was on the highway pulling out en route to an emergent call, and an 18-wheeler struck us in the side, putting 3 of our people in the hospital, 2 in ICU for several weeks. All were able to recover, going through that trauma of seeing our people hurt, in no way really to help them in that situation was something I never want to go through again. Moving to HAAS and to some of the features that it offers, the R2R giving us that tool that we know that another engine's coming into that intersection with us, or even maybe one of my own engines coming together. It's far too often that we see fire engines crash, and a lot of times it's in major cities, but it can happen in South Carolina, in rural South Carolina, just as easy as it can happen in New York City. And the other features that you offer, I didn't even realize so many of the options or features that you have in your dashboard, showing monitoring speed for the people, because not only do I want the people that we're passing on the highway to follow the general rules and follow the safe guidelines of driving, I want my people who are driving my apparatus to be just as involved. It's a two-way street. We all have to get home, and to get back home safely, we all have to do our part.